Whenever you want to invest in the market for a short term, 3 to 6 months, always look out for two things. First, a trigger. Trigger can be fundamental, whether the results have come out well. Trigger can be political. Trigger can be global. Trigger can be some commodity prices have moved up or down. That trigger will help you understand whether or not the market looks positive. The current trigger is BJP winning the state election and expected to win the union election, which is why you are expecting markets to go up. Second, always look out for margin of safety. What's margin of safety? Margin of safety means that even if you go wrong, you would not lose much on it. So say for example, large cap in the last 6 months, Nifty has moved 12%, mid cap has moved 30%, small cap has moved 40%. So margin of safety is investing in large caps right now. Even if you look at large indices, Bank Nifty has moved 6%, IT has moved 12%, Pharma has moved 25%, Banking PSU has moved 35%. So the margin of safety is in large banks, which is why if you want to take a long position for short term, maybe large banking stocks can be a great opportunity right now. Do save this reel for your future reference, and if you found this interesting, share it with somebody who can benefit. Thank you.